With a 130% increase in the price of Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency reached a new all-time high in Brazil, hitting BRL 383,000. Analysts suggest that 6 other cryptocurrencies could also generate profits in August. Last Friday, Bitcoin not only surpassed the BRL 380,000 mark, but also saw a year-to-date appreciation of over 130%. This new peak surpasses previous records, which were reached in November 2021 and June 6 this year, when the currency hit BRL 379,900. Tayama Demanen, head of research at Coinext, highlights that this increase is influenced by Bitcoin's appreciation in US dollars and the exchange rate, with the dollar quoted at BRL 5.63, a value similar to November 2021. On the international stage, Bitcoin reached a daily high of USD 68,000, representing an increase of approximately 5% in the last 24 hours. This growth aligns with the positive trend in U.S. stock markets, which reacted favorably to the release of the core Personal Consumption Expenditure (PCE) inflation data in the United States. Additionally, the movement of spot ETFs in the U.S. was significant, with net inflows of USD 31.16 million the previous day. In a curious event, a small Bitcoin mining device with a capacity of 500 gigahashes per second managed to mine a block, resulting in a reward of over USD 200,000 Saturns in BTC. This event shows how, even with smaller equipment, it is possible to achieve notable results in cryptocurrency mining. The recent rise in Bitcoin is the result of a combination of factors, including its appreciation in USD, the favorable exchange rate, and the strong performance of U.S. stock markets. These elements together create a conducive environment for Bitcoin's growth, explains Demanen. In his weekly analysis, Demanen notes that the Bitcoin Dominance Indicator, which measures risk appetite in the cryptocurrency market, has remained above 55%. This reinforces a positive sentiment in the market, indicating the possibility of Bitcoin aiming for the USD 67,000 mark again, as confirmed today, comments Demanen. However, he cautions that it is crucial for Bitcoin to consolidate above USD 66,500 to maintain an optimistic outlook and attempt to reach values between USD 69,000 and USD 72,000 in the coming days. This consolidation is essential to sustain the upward momentum and avoid significant corrections that could occur if this level is not successfully maintained, warns the analyst. Demanen also observes that the range between USD 54,000 and USD 58,000 seems to have been definitively surpassed, except for a possible test of the CME gap between USD 58,000 and USD 60,000, which now seems less likely. This analysis suggests greater stability in Bitcoin's price, indicating that the market may be settling into a new price range. In an optimistic scenario, the analyst highlights that consolidation above USD 66,500 is seen as a positive sign, suggesting a possible appreciation of Bitcoin to a price range between USD 69,000 and USD 72,000 by the end of the week. This forecast is based on technical analysis that considers important resistances and supports in the cryptocurrency market. In an indecisive scenario, the analyst stresses that it is crucial for Bitcoin to stay above USD 63,200 to ensure a short-term recovery. Otherwise, the price could retract to USD 61,500, with possible fluctuations between USD 60,000 and USD 65,000, reflecting the typical volatility of the market. On the other hand, in a bearish scenario, analyst Demanen warns of the risk of a rejection in the range between USD 58,000 and USD 60,000, which is associated with a CME gap. If this support area is breached, Bitcoin's price could fall dramatically, reaching levels of USD 52,000, with the possibility of touching the main support of this bullish cycle at USD 46,200. Additionally, on a bearish market day, The performance of a specific meme coin was notable, achieving an impressive appreciation of 3,840%, even in the absence of Kamala Harris at the Bitcoin Conference 2024. This highlights the volatile and unpredictable behavior of altcoins, which can experience significant movements regardless of overall market trends. 6 promising cryptocurrencies to profit from in August. With Bitcoin growing in the short to medium term, analysts at Coinext have found good opportunities in cryptocurrencies related to artificial intelligence, AI, and decentralized infrastructure. Interest is growing, especially after Nvidia posted higher-than-expected profits in June, showcasing the potential of these sectors. This year, AI-related tokens have seen significant appreciation. This is because both individual investors and large institutions are starting to adopt these cryptocurrencies. In July, Grayscale launched the Grayscale Decentralized AI Fund LLC, a fund that gives investors the chance to invest in decentralized AI protocols indirectly. The fund focuses on 3 main areas of AI assets: decentralized AI protocols, services such as chatbots, and image generation tools that operate in a decentralized manner, solutions to centralized AI challenges, technologies to combat bots and deepfakes, ensuring greater security and authenticity. Infrastructure for AI. Protocols providing essential tools like decentralized data storage, GPU computing, and rendering. Recently, Elizabeth Warren raised concerns about possible espionage by foreign cryptocurrency miners on U.S. bases, highlighting the need for greater security and regulation in the sector. With this in mind, Coinext experts have selected 6 cryptocurrencies with the potential to grow in August, driven by increased institutional interest. Explore these investment opportunities. Near Protocol, NEAR. Near Protocol is one of the cryptocurrencies in the Grayscale Fund, with a 32.99% allocation. This Layer 1 blockchain platform is designed to offer high scalability and low transaction costs, improving the usability and efficiency of decentralized applications, DApps. NEAR uses a technology called Nightshade, which allows transactions to be split and processed in parallel, greatly increasing network capacity. Ilya Polosukin, co-founder of the project, stated that one of NEAR's main goals is to enable people with little technical experience to create decentralized applications, DApps. They are developing an AI tool that will help in creating these applications. This tool will allow anyone to turn an idea into reality, facilitating the development of smart contracts and user interfaces. Additionally, the AI will be able to write middleware, connecting different systems or applications, allowing developers to edit and add functionalities to their applications more easily. On 17th of July, Valor, a crypto fund company, launched an exchange-traded product, ETP, for NEAR, the platform's token. This ETP will be traded on the Swedish stock exchange, giving access to both retail and institutional investors to the decentralized application development platform. NEAR Protocol is attracting both retail investors and large institutions. Recently, the platform reached 450 million transactions and has 12.3 million unique addresses, demonstrating solid growth. The total value locked, TVL, on the network has significantly increased since the beginning of 2024, from around USD 93 million to USD 275 million in July. Last week, the token's price saw a considerable rise. Analysts believe this increase is due to the introduction of a major governance proposal, which raised the value of NEAR by about 10%. The proposal includes a new voting system and funding mechanisms to ensure a long-term commitment and strengthen the ecosystem. The positive market reaction shows that investors trust NEAR Protocol's direction, consolidating its position as an important cryptocurrency for August. Filecoin, FIL. Filecoin, AFIL, is the second-largest holding in the new fund, with 30.59%. The project aims to create a decentralized storage system using blockchain technology, positioning itself in the emerging sector of decentralized physical networks, DePIN. Filecoin allows users to offer unused space on their hard drives to store data and be paid in FIL cryptocurrency. Developed by Protocol Labs, the project aims to address issues associated with centralized storage, such as high costs, security vulnerabilities, and reliability concerns. Recently, Filecoin partnered with SingularityNet, an artificial intelligence AI development platform. The idea of this collaboration is to integrate AI with DePIN, promoting ethical decentralization for both AI and data storage. As part of this collaboration, a working group will be created to ensure that the development and use of these technologies adhere to high ethical standards. In the medium term, Filecoin plans to merge its technologies with SingularityNet's to enhance security and strengthen the infrastructure for storing AI-generated data. Filecoin's growth has been notable, with an addition of over USD 60 million in total value locked, TVL, on the network in 2024 alone. Additionally, the cryptocurrency has seen a significant increase in its trading volume. In July, Filecoin emerged from a period of decline and entered a phase of rapid growth, especially following the fund's announcement. These factors, along with Filecoin's commitment to more ethical AI, show that the coin has great potential for the coming month. Render Token, RNDR. With a 24.86% stake in the Grayscale Fund, Render Token, RNDR, is the third selected cryptocurrency. Recently, the Render Token was rebranded to Render. RNDR stands out in the cryptocurrency market as a governance and utility token in the Render network, an innovative artificial intelligence AI project aiming to create a decentralized system for rendering complex tasks. Render Token combines AI and machine learning to optimize resource usage and create an efficient system for graphics rendering. The token allows people with idle GPUs to participate in the Render network, performing cloud computing tasks and earning money from their unused computational resources. Recently, the Render network community decided to move from Ethereum to Solana as their Layer 1 infrastructure. This move was motivated by the need for faster transactions and lower fees, alongside the token's name change from RNDR to Render. On July 17th, the network reached an all-time high of active addresses, coinciding with the fund's announcement, surpassing the previous record set in March 2024. This growth occurred not only due to the increase in existing users, but also from new participants, suggesting a growing adoption of RNDR by investors. According to data from Being Crypto, after a decline period between June 12th and July 12th, when the price fell from USD 9.49 to USD 5.67, the market stabilized the support at USD 5.67. Currently, the resistance is at USD 7.66. Given the growing demand for high-quality visuals and the rendering of AI-generated content, along with support from a major asset manager, Render Token stands out for its functionality and innovation. RNDR's unique technology suggests significant potential for appreciation and growth in August. TLI without intermediaries. Recently, Fetch.ai surprised the market by announcing a strategic merger with two significant projects in the AI space: SingularityNet, AGIX, and Ocean Protocol, OCN. This alliance, called the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI, seeks to promote the development of decentralized AI platforms. According to Fetch.ai's CEO, the goal is to create one of the first open and decentralized networks that will become General Artificial Intelligence, AGI, accessible to all who contribute to its development. This initiative aims to provide a strong alternative to the large companies that dominate the AI sector. It's worth noting that despite the merger, the FET token still exists. During the initial transition, AGIX and Ocean were combined with FET. Following the merger announcement, the FET token's value surged by around 30%, reversing a 3-month downtrend and emerging as a key asset in the market. This increase demonstrates investors' enthusiasm for the advancements and the potential for leadership in the decentralized AI market. Currently, the FET token is experiencing a market downturn. However, according to analyses by the Cointurk news portal, the expectation is that Phase 2 of the merger, which will transform the FET token into ASI, could lead to a price recovery. The current support level is at USD 1.10, If the market can maintain the token above USD 1.27, there may be a possible recovery from this point. The general resistance to be overcome is at USD 1.55, with a short-term target of reaching USD 1.69. Akash Network, AKT. Akash Network is a decentralized cloud computing platform based on blockchain that offers IT infrastructure services. Like Filecoin, it allows users to rent and share computing capacity, providing a more affordable and efficient alternative compared to traditional cloud providers. While the primary focus is on DePIN, the project has also been used to train AI models through a collaboration with Thumper AI, which works with generative AI. The partnership between the companies aims to overcome challenges like high costs and hardware waste in training models, leveraging the GPU capacity offered by the Akash network. The project has demonstrated that it is possible and efficient to train AI models on a DePIN network, attracting the attention of developers and strengthening Akash's position in the AI and open-source fields. With technical support for the growing problem of AI training, Akash Network presents itself as a project with significant potential. The Crypto Daily portal reported that the price of Akash Network, AKT, has fluctuated between USD 3 and USD 4. After a brief rise to USD 3.68, AKT faced significant selling pressure and fell to USD 3.30, stabilizing at USD 3.55. Despite a temporary recovery, AKT dropped again to USD 3.57 over the weekend. This week, buyers tried to push the price to USD 4, but faced resistance, resulting in a drop to USD 3.77. However, despite recent declines, the project has shown resilience and potential, making it one of the top picks for August. Ethereum. Although not directly linked to artificial intelligence, AI, the latest recommendation from Coinext highlights Ethereum as a promising investment option. Ethereum is an innovative blockchain platform that enables the creation of smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps, using its cryptocurrency, Ethereum, ETH. This network is known for its flexibility and ability to support various decentralized applications, ranging from games to finance and social services. The recommendation is based on the recent introduction of Ethereum ETFs, which are exchange-traded funds linked to the value of the cryptocurrency. Analysts expect these ETFs to attract a significant flow of investments, estimated between USD 31 billion and USD 135 billion from late 2024 to mid-2025. The approval of these ETFs was announced on May 23rd, but the actual trading of these funds only began 2 months later, on July 23rd. These ETFs offer a straightforward way for regular investors to access Ethereum without needing to purchase the cryptocurrency directly. Instead, investors can buy shares of the funds on the stock exchange, which simplifies the investment process and reduces the need to deal with the complexities of owning cryptocurrencies. Although the impacts of ETF trading are still unfolding, long-term analysis suggests strategic buying and selling points during this cycle. The recommended support levels for buying include USD 2,609, USD 2,886, USD 3,000, USD 3,327, and USD 3,580. On the other hand, selling targets range from USD 4,880 to USD 6,700, potentially reaching USD 10,000, USD 14,000, and eventually USD 20,000 in future cycles. Additionally, the Ethereum network stands out as the leading platform for developing decentralized applications in the cryptocurrency market. This enables the construction of a wide range of dApps, including those incorporating artificial intelligence. The growing importance of ETFs, combined with the potential to drive AI through Ethereum's robust infrastructure, makes this cryptocurrency an attractive option for potential investors in August. Disclaimer: this text is not an investment recommendation. The opinions and information presented here do not necessarily reflect the positions of Cointelegraph Brazil. It is essential that each investor conducts their own research and adequately informs themselves before making any investment decision.